The Mykonos Biennale is a festival that celebrates art, tradition, and nature, held every other year and is the creation of world-renowned Greek multimedia artist Lydia Veneri. With its diverse range of artistic disciplines, thought-provoking installations, and immersive experiences, the Mykonos Biennale has become an unparalleled platform for artistic dialogue, cultural exchange, and transformative inspiration. The Mykonos Biennale does not consider itself the standard form of art presentation, but instead is a symposium where art and philosophy intersect with the energy of the island. This event is a mix of tradition, ritual, and international contemporary art. For 5 days, the island of Mykonos will host an extensive range of artworks, performances, projects, and more. The biennial commissions leading and emerging artists to produce both temporary and permanent public art, as well as long-term community-based projects. This newly commissioned and existing art in all forms is presented in diverse locations, including unusual public spaces, windmills, pirate houses, warehouses, schools, and churches, as well as the city's galleries, museums, and cultural venues. The Town Hall, School of Fine Arts, and other organizations in Mykonos provide the context for the presentation of contemporary art and culture. Why Mykonos? This enigmatic, transcendent island has always been a hub of all types of culture and has unsurprisingly attracted a diverse mix of people, from archaeologists to intellectual purists, artists, hippies, and jet-setters. Visitors are transported into a world where art and nature converge, providing a truly immersive experience that enhances the creative atmosphere of the biennial. One of the defining aspects of the Mykonos Biennale is its commitment to fostering cultural exchange. The event serves as a melting pot where artists from different backgrounds, traditions, and cultures come together to share their unique perspectives. This cross-pollination of ideas sparks a captivating blend of artistic diversity, bridging gaps and cultivating a greater understanding and appreciation of global cultures. The Biennale's carefully curated exhibitions, workshops, and artist talks provide fertile ground for artists and attendees alike to engage in meaningful conversations and forge lasting connections.
Το μεγαλύτερο ορφικό μυστήριο είναι η συνοχή, που δίνει στον κόσμο η γιορτή. Γιορτάζοντας νίκησε ο Διόνυσος αληθινούς στρατούς. Η δύναμη της μέθης σπάει τα όρια της δέσμευσης και απογυμνώνει τον άνθρωπο και τα αισθήματα από τον εαυτόν του, αναζητώντας τον να τον μοιραστεί. Εγώ είμαι η άμπελος, το ψωμί είναι το σώμα μας, το κρασί το αίμα μας, ο χορός είναι η ψυχή μας, η ενωμένη. Η μονάδα μερίζεται και ξαναενώνεται στο χορό, στο θέατρο, στην επαναλαμβανόμενη παντομήμα του κάθε δράματος, καθώς εκεί προβάλλονται οι ρόλοι που αποκόβονται από τον εαυτό και έτσι έρχεται η κάθαρση. Τα ορφικά μυστήρια δεν μεταφέρονται με λόγια λογικά, παρά με αισθήματα που επιβραβεύουν το ένστικτο. Αφορούν το κλικ μιας ανώτερης αισθαντικής γνώσης, όπου οι μοιημένοι κοινωνούν ενωμένοι. Τότε η θλίψη, η χαρά, το πένθος, η Ανάσταση, το αίσθημα και η λογική γίνονται οι δικοί μας, η μοναδική μας και αναπόσπαστη και πανανθρώπινη μνήμη.